Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Equity Eric, and today is March 4th, 2011. I recently subscribed to NIA, the National Inflation Association's newsletter a few weeks ago. And recently, in the last few days, they've been sending out emails encouraging their members to donate $1,000 in order to receive NIA's top 3 silver stock picks. One of the things I found amusing was that their deadline for their promotion kept getting pushed back several times. This entire marketing campaign that they have launched to promote these hot stock picks that they're about to release is screaming of high pressure sales tactics. A limited time offer, or supposedly, a very high initial cost, and no promises and no tangible assets being delivered. These picks could be the worst ever, or more than likely, it's most likely stocks that either NIA owners have or their affiliates own that they're trying to dump, so you can get they can get their membership base to buy a whole bunch of shares to boost up the price, and they come in and sell their positions that they're trying to unload, or they short the shares that they never owned in the first place, make a tidy profit, and their membership base is out of pocket and they're not on the hook for anything because there's no guarantees. The reason I subscribed to NIA in the first place is because I could see right through their questionable tactics and their so-called market research. But if you want to become an auditor, you must learn how to commit fraud. So that's why I read their newsletter every so often and visit their website every once in a while to learn about the enemy. Their entire website is built on the premise that the US dollar will be totally worthless in several years, which isn't going to happen anytime soon. Granted, yes, every single fiat currency that has existed in history has eventually failed, but I don't think we're going to see the US dollar disappear in the next 5 years. Yes, silver is a precious metal. I believe that everybody should have 1 to 5% of their portfolio in precious metals. Precious metals do hold their value much better than fiat currency, but silver is currently overvalued at $30, I believe. Let's take a look at the charts. It was just over $16 a year ago. Now it's at $33.42. Where is this demand coming from? What new technologies or products have a high demand for silver as a raw material? What new industrial applications have a high requirement for silver? Who is actually buying all of this silver? There's got to be a reason behind the rise in price. And I'm not seeing it, people. I know there's a few people out there or a lot of people out there who disagree with my point and think that silver is just going to continue to rise, that we're going to see silver trading at $50 an ounce within the next year or so. That gold is going to continue to rise to $2,000, some people are saying. Granted, yes, I do believe that precious metals will eventually continuously rise year over year, but not at the pace that we've seen in the last 12 months. Do your own research. Don't believe what some website whose sole premise is to promote one train of thought, which is that precious metals are the be-all end-all of investing, and buy now and you can get the hot tips on these new silver penny stocks. Do your own analysis, look into the fundamentals as well as the technical analysis. Who's actually purchasing this product or these services? Ask yourself those questions and you'll be more successful at investing. Until next video, I'm Equity Eric. Stay hungry and stay foolish.